In this video I'll show you these two Argentina jerseys, which are the new World Cup Championship winner versions with these 3 stars on the jerseys. So I'll show you both of the jerseys. Both of them are player version jerseys, and I will also show you what are the differences between an M and an S size of a player version Adidas jersey. But before that, I'll show you what I just received from ijersey.co. This is the website this time I ordered from, and this is how it looks like. There is also a coupon code on it, so as you can see, and again the World Cup logo, which looks just amazing with this shining metallic material. So it's just really cool, as you can see it. I really like it, and thank you for them. Now let's go to the jerseys because they are just amazing. I just opened them and they look amazing. As you can see, this is the overall jersey from top to bottom. But now let's start with the bottom of the jersey. As you can see, I don't know how this one is made, but like the front of the jersey is straight and the back of the jersey is curved. So this is how it is. I don't know, but I suppose that's how it has to be. And this one is heat ready technology from Adidas, probably because it's a player version. And on the other side, this authentic thing, which also looks amazing. As you can see, the material of the jersey, it's really nice. It's a bit transparent, so you can see through it because it's a nice player version material. It's elastic, it's really comfortable to wear. It has this material, as you can see, with these triangles on it, I think. And then on the national jerseys, there's always the number on the front also, not only on the back. And it's really high quality, it's smooth material. And now the interesting part, the Argentina badge, which is just amazing. It's from a plastic material, probably somehow with heat glued to the jersey, and these never really fall off. So I have other jerseys and I washed them lots of times and they never fell off. This is how it looks like. It's just amazing with the 3 stars, the Argentina flag, this badge, and also this, the FIFA World Champion 2022, and this new type of Adidas logo, which doesn't contains the Adidas letters anymore, only these 3 stripes. Also really high quality, really nice. Now the shoulder of the jersey with this 3 black and this thin blue line. These are I think embroidered. And then again the material, and this one is simple heat press, so it's nothing special. Let the camera focus. Yeah, so this one is not anything special. It's a thin heat pressed material, so it's more like some print. So it's like this, but it's cool anyway. And on the other side as well, these are from the shipping, but if you iron it with something over it, so you put something, a towel or anything like that over it, and you iron it and it will disappear. You can't do anything else. This is how the shipping is. It's not their fault. And this is the back of the jersey, which is also really cool. You can customize with any name and number you want, up to 14 characters, and with any special characters you can see from your language, and also the original font both on name and number. Now this is how the number looks like with this dots, as you can see, blue dots, white dots, everything, even this small Argentina flag on the bottom. I'll show you in the light. It's really cool, as you can see the dots, everything, every detail is just amazing on this jersey and on every other jersey as well, both from this website and even this small. This is one of my favorite. It's just amazing how this looks like. So now I will measure them. So this one is the M and this one is the S. Now in width there's maybe 2 centimeters difference. So the S is, let's say, 49 centimeters and the M is 51. So yeah, 2 centimeters. On the top of the shoulder, 63 centimeters, and here it's 70 centimeters, and this one from here to here it's 73 centimeters, 73, and here 65 centimeters. So not such a big difference, but yeah, this can be a difference. So this is how the S and the M compare one to each other, and these are the two jerseys. They are just amazing jerseys, and maybe you can still get that cool bottle opener. And if you don't have an account yet, then you can create one with my invitation from the description, and you can save with that $5 on your first order. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments below, and also please subscribe because lots of other videos are coming. And thank you, hope you liked it. Goodbye.